Jane Cleland here. Here's an interesting question. If it takes multiple years to finish your novel, don't you find that you've changed so much? Your attitudes are different, your writing style is different. What about continuity? It's interesting. No, I find that I write with my style. I think I have a particular voice, and it doesn't matter whether it's been 15 years since my first book was published or 20. It doesn't matter if I look back at something. I'm a better writer now, which means I'm more confident. I am more direct. I have managed to eliminate a lot of rookie errors. So the prose is better. The storytelling is, I think, stronger. But you know what? It's all me. Don't worry about continuity. Just tell the story and get that book finished. I know you can do it.